Okay, y'all, I'm about to ready to do a brake job on my 2022 Kia K5. Now, I already took the tire off, but I haven't touched nothing else yet. For everybody that's wondering, man, on 2022 Kia K5, I think all of them should be about the same. Let me just show you how everything look. All you gotta do, man, is take this bolt right here off. You take this bolt and that bolt right there off. That's the first step. So I'm gonna take both of those off and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, all you gotta do, don't forget, man, you gotta take these bolts off. This one of the bolts right here and the one of the bolts at the bottom. It's gonna be a 14 millimeter, man. 14 millimeter. Let me show y'all real quick. That 14 that on there. 14 millimeter.
They can't be torqued down too tight.
Yep, they can't be too tight too. I was gonna get to that when I do it. Two bolts, man. Two bolts. Let me put this over here out the way.
You might have to look up the specifications. That's how you go.
Alright.
Or you know how to torque it. You know what I mean?
Yep. Ooh, it's hot. This thing is hot. Now let's see how you, ooh. This is why my car was making all this noise. Man, no brakes.
Ain't no brake pad?
I'm finna show you.
You're supposed to have a little thing sticking out. You go to the street up there and get that long.
Man, look at that, man. No brake pad. No brake pad. Y'all, this is a new brake pad, man. Look how thick this brake pad is. Man, look how thick this brake pad. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the difference. Look at the difference.
Whoa.
Big difference. All right, let me see. Man, look at that, man. Ain't no brake pad on there. Man, look at the difference. Alright, y'all don't forget too, man. We're about to get ready to change these out too. See these parts right here? We're finna change these out. We got the replacement parts right here. Yeah, let's get to it. Hey, y'all, check me out real quick, man. I got the bottom one in right here. I want to show you how I did this. Basically, all you can do, you can really hit it out. You pop it out just like the top. See how I haven't did the top yet? Let me show y'all how you do it. You basically just pop it out of place. I don't even care. You know, this the old ones. You can break them, do whatever you want to do. Just pop them out of place. See that? Just came straight out. All you got to do is grab a new one. See that? That's all you got to do. Just pop it in place. You can just hit it right in place. All right, y'all, we got both of them in place, man. We got both of them in place. Now it's time to work on the brake pads. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go over here and grease these brake pads up. Y'all, we got both of the brake pads right now, man. We're about to go ahead and grease the brake pads. Let me show you the difference, man. This brake pad right here is gonna be the inside brake pad. This brake pad right here is gonna be the outside. So you got the inside, we got the outside. Basically, you can, let me show you something. The Kia K5 brake pads, man, they come with a grease, man. They come with grease like this. Let me get the bag off there. All right, y'all. Basically, Kia K5 grease pack, it shows you where to grease the brakes at. So this is where we're gonna grease the brakes at right now. You see everywhere the X at? That's where we're gonna grease it. All right, y'all. I got those brand new brakes in. I got them greased up. All you gotta do is slap them in place. I got the C-clamp up here. You already know what to do this. Put the brake pad up there and, you know, get the spinning. But yeah, that's it. All I gotta do now is put everything back together. Oh man, I got that caliper back on now. All you gotta do is tighten these two bolts up.
Hey y'all, so how y'all doing on this lovely evening? This is your girl, Miss Demi Allen. So today I will be opening up a special package from Full Boy. So let us open this. I'm really excited. I really am excited right now. Let's open this. And I got it this way because my address on the other side, so y'all already know how that is. Oh yes, I love it. Let me turn this around. And it's purple. It's a hoodie. Don't accept handouts. Yes. Okay, y'all. So this is Full Boy's clothing. His clothing line merch, and it's a hoodie, and it's purple, and I got it in a 2X because normally I wear like a 2X because sometimes like the extra large don't fit me too well, but I love it. I love the color, and it's really soft. It's really soft. Yes, I love it. So y'all better check out Full Boy's merch. Y'all gonna love it. He got different types of hoodies, shirts. He even got like cups and stuff like that. So make sure y'all check out his channel. His channel name is Full Boy, and he also do merch as well. So this is what it looks like again. It's really nice. See? I love it. Oh, and I'm gonna be wearing this on stream too. So, alright, so this is what the hoodie looks like, as y'all can see. That's what it looks like. So I'm about to stand up. Like I said, it's very soft and comfortable. This is how it looks in the front. How it looks in the front. And then the sides. Yes, I'm loving it, y'all. So yeah, so y'all make sure y'all check out Full Boy's merch. He also has a YouTube channel as well. He do games and different things on there. I think GTA and Call of Duty. So make sure y'all check him out and check out his merch too. Show him some love and support, y'all, okay? But overall, I'm loving it. Thank you, Full Boy. Thank you so much. I will be wearing this on stream today, so be looking out too. And this video that's going to be posted up as well. So anyway, y'all, check out his merch. Y'all will not be disappointed, okay? So y'all have a good evening, and I'll see y'all at the stream. And thanks again, Full Boy. Thank you. Bye-bye.